In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-product Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a clean, conversion-focused store ready to go live and start selling. First, sign up on Shopify, start your free trial so you can build without paying upfront, then choose a plan that matches your needs when you're ready. While you're working, your storefront will be behind a password, which is perfect for drafting. When it's time to launch, you'll remove that password to make your store live. Next, add your product. Head to products and either add it manually, import a CSV if you've already got your details organized, or use an app like DSers if you're sourcing from AliExpress. Since this is a one product store, keep things simple and focused. This product is your hero. Now edit your product details. Write a clear benefit driven title and a description that explains who it's for, what problem it solves, and why it's better. Upload high quality images, ideally showing the product in use, and consider adding a short demo video later in customization. Set your price, add any variants like size or color, and calculate a profit margin that covers product cost, shipping, and marketing while staying competitive. Buy and connect a domain to make your brand feel professional. Go to Settings, then Domains, and either buy a new domain through Shopify or connect one you already own. Once it's connected, set it as your primary domain so shoppers see your custom URL. Choose a theme by going to Online Store, then Themes. Pick a clean, fast, free theme like Dawn or Origin and publish it. These are great for one product layouts and make customization easy. Customize your store to match your brand. Update the header with your logo. Keep navigation minimal and highlight your product section prominently on the homepage. Use your best images, set consistent colors, and add social proof like testimonials or a short product video to build trust. Keep copy concise and make the add to cart button stand out. If you want, you can create collections to organize products, but for a one product store, this is optional and often unnecessary. Before launch, set up the essentials, configure your payment gateway, set clear shipping rates and delivery times, confirm your tax settings for the regions you serve, and review checkout settings so the buying experience is smooth. Finally, save your changes, remove the password, go live, and start promoting and selling, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.